Well, we're putting in the final windows today. We got the kits to join those together from Anderson on Thursday, and then we've been working a lot on the siding in the house. So we have most of the south side already done, and we should actually finish that today. Aside from that, we've done a lot of work on the electrical and the plumbing. It's really exciting that we're going to pressure test the domestic water on Monday and Tuesday. It's a 24-hour pressure test, and we're going to pressure test the waste lines also on Monday and Tuesday. So if we get that done, we're hopefully finishing a lot of the electrical today. And then as soon as we get the guys from AGC back out to help us finish the ducting, all the stuff in the walls is going to be completely done, and we can start doing drywall on the inside.
Most of my work has been doing wiring, especially through the bathroom. We had some space issues trying to fit in our appliances. We thought they were a little smaller than what they should have been. So just kind of figuring out how to put everything, make everything fit and look like it's built for these appliances.
We've got all the junction boxes in, and right now Hunter's out there cutting all the wires to the right length, putting wire nuts on them, and putting them back in the boxes so that everything is ready. We just have to put the outlets in and connect them up when we get through the drywall and are ready to do that.
I've been very curious to just know how a house kind of operates behind the scenes, behind all the pretty walls and stuff. So being able to, get inside and, see all the wiring and vents and kind of just all the mechanical parts of the house is really, really exciting. It makes you appreciate kind of what you live in and what you work in every day.
Contact with the cold pipes.
We ended up finishing the plumbing system, so that means plugging all the valves and finishing routing all the rough plumbing that we needed to do. So we're currently on track to do a pressure test. So that means put a pump into our system, pump it full of water, pump it up to a certain pressure, and then the test is that we hold that pressure that we pumped it to for 24 hours. And if we hold that pressure for 24 hours, that means there's no leaks.
We're doing the pressure test with water because the fire sprinklers don't respond well to air. They could actually burst open, and then we'd have to replace them all. So we're going to do it with water. A company called BFP Fire is going to come out and help us actually do that hydro test on Monday.
I also helped out with some siding, which is the finished redwood that's going on the side of the building. We have a lot of progress on that. We have on the west side, on the east side, we have a lot, probably 60% of it done. The south side's probably 60% done. The north side and east side of the bedroom are pretty done too. So that was a big thing. That's like a nice finished look. So that's it's cool to see that go up.
As we started to put the siding on the south side, we noticed that on the southwest corner, over by where the TV is going to be on the inside, it was bowing out. So on Thursday we went in there and we cut everything out. We brought the drywall back off of it, and where we had put a hold down and built a piece of plywood to cover the structural hold down to the beams below, we put foam in there to replace the insulation. That had expanded and pushed that whole cover out, which pushed and broke the drywall and pushed everything out. So we had to go in there, we took the cover back off, we had to scrape out some of the foam, and now that it's dry, it won't happen again. Put the cover back on, make a new piece of drywall, put that all up. Now it's flat. So now we've been putting the rest of the siding up, and it's just going really smoothly. But that was the big mystery of the week.
So that's how we move the house, basically. Then, to answer your question again, so this is the dining. I think I did 2 events this week, and one was for an EPGY camp. EPGY camp is a camp in civil engineering with a focus on energy and the environment. And I went and gave a presentation about our house, but then I take them out to the site and gave them a whole tour. And unfortunately, we couldn't take them inside because they didn't have proper clothing on, because someone forgot to tell them that. But yeah, just gave them a whole tour, and all the kids were really excited. They're like in middle of high school, so they're interested enough and they understand what I'm saying. So it was a good tour.
We got the door delivered on Wednesday, the front door, so we're close to putting the doors in. And at that point, it's just more or less finishing. It's the final layers on everything. And it's coming together. It's coming together nicely, I think.